Unfortunately, our farm stand has been shut down for 4 days because of all the ice and snow. Today, I am bound and determined to open this thing with all of our new Valentine's Day items.
I spy with my little tired eye, tiny as a firefly, a pebble that we picked up last July. Down deep inside your pocket, we almost forgot it. Does it ever miss with flow sometimes? They said the end is coming, everyone's up to something. I found myself around and onto your sweet nothings. Outside they push and shoving, you're in the kitchen humming all that you ever wanted.